Take your labeling to the next level and create a lasting impression with the Brother P-Touch Cube Plus Label Maker featuring Bluetooth wireless technology. Cube Plus is sleek, lightweight, and portable with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Design and print labels from virtually any mobile device or computer that are fun, personalized, and made to get noticed. Cube Plus is ideal for small businesses, retail and specialty shops, classrooms, and labeling of office supplies and equipment. Cube Plus allows you to add a finishing touch to specialty products and craft projects, and it comes in handy at home too. Cube Plus labels are resistant to temperature, smudging, fading, and water. Our free online apps give you access to a wide range of pre-designed label templates. Or use the P-Touch Editor software and included USB cable to create unique label designs using your own fonts, borders, symbols, and images. You can even add scannable barcodes or custom QR codes for interactive labels. Cube Plus supports a wide range of P-Touch labels, including premium matte and glitter tapes that will make your labels really stand out. The P-Touch Cube Plus Label Maker from Brother.
Rollo gives you everything you need to make shipping and printing easy, save you time, and save you money. First off, you can print wirelessly to Rollo from all of your devices like iPhone, iPad, Android, Chromebook, Windows, and Mac. They already know how to print to Rollo and you don't need to install any drivers. With Rollo Ship Manager, you can see, manage, and ship all of your online orders from Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopify, and other marketplaces. And you can do that from your computer, tablet, or phone. I like using my phone because it's super convenient. You can also create one-off shipments or print your return labels. Once you create your shipping label, it will automatically send the tracking number to the recipient and let them know that their package is on its way. Whether you're printing 5 or 5,000 labels a day, Rollo prints crystal clear labels at a very fast speed. Just print, peel, and stick it to your package. You can even make cute branding and organization stickers like these. Finally, schedule pickups at your doorstep right from the Rollo app so you don't have to deal with any long lines or drop-offs. Using its advanced technology, Rollo prints with heat. The Rollo printer does not need any ink or cartridges, ever. Rollo has negotiated shipping discounts with carriers, allowing you to have immediate savings with no minimums. See? Easy, fast,